Do you seriously think you know all the traffic rules? It's precisely this overconfidence that gets drivers into dangerous situations and lands them with fines every day. And today, I'm going to show you a question that most people get wrong. Hi, I'm Vasya, your driving instructor. If you want to feel confident behind the wheel, drive safely, and not worry when you encounter the police, join our Drivers Club. Here, we break down real-life traffic situations, complex intersections, and rules that even experienced drivers often forget. Today, we'll be practicing one of the most difficult topics in traffic: right-of-way at intersections. Many people think it's enough to simply know the signs or the rules for turning. But when several cars appear at an intersection at the same time, drivers start to get confused. And it's in these situations that accidents happen. Now I'll show you a task that seems simple only at first glance. But our channel's statistics show that only a few get it right. Let's see if you can handle it. Let's take a close look at the situation. We have an intersection with 4 stop signs. 3 cars are approaching it: A, B, and C. We know that car A arrived at the intersection last. It needs to turn left. And now the main question: when can car A make the turn? Here are the answer options. Number 1, immediately, because it has the right of way. Number 2, only if the other cars are turning right. Number 3, after it stops and lets cars B and C pass. Number 4, after it stops and lets only car C pass. Don't rush to answer. This is where most drivers make a fatal mistake. Some think that turning left automatically gives them the right of way. Others believe that letting just one car pass is enough, but the rules work differently. Pause the video now and write your answer in the comments. I'm really curious to see how many people actually know this rule. And don't peek at other people's answers. I'm starting the timer. You have 10 seconds to analyze everything. Time's up. I hope you've already made your choice, because now we're going to break down this situation in detail. Let's take a close look at the intersection again. All the cars are approaching a stop intersection. This means that every driver is required to come to a complete stop before entering. But the main rule here is the order of arrival. When cars arrive at the intersection at different times, they must proceed in the exact order in which they arrived. This is a very important point that many drivers forget. Car A arrived last. Therefore, regardless of the fact that it wants to turn left, it cannot go first. Cars B and C must go first. Only then can car A safely make its turn. Therefore, the correct answer is number 3. Car A must stop and let cars B and C pass. If you chose the third option, congratulations. You really know your way around traffic rules. And if you got it wrong, don't worry. That's exactly why this channel was created. To break down complex situations and help you become more confident behind the wheel. Let us know in the comments whether this task was easy for you or if you had to think it through. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new driving challenges, quizzes, and helpful tips for drivers. Remember, knowing the rules isn't just a way to avoid fines. It's about your safety, the safety of your passengers, and the safety of everyone on the road.